Good morning, students. This is Priyanka, teacher from Gumpha Road Municipal English School, Jogeshwari East. Last week we learned English subjects. Let us learn about alphabets. Today we are going to learn about lesson number 6, frame words. Okay? So let us look and learn. In this lesson we are going to learn many words which are made including vowels. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so today we are going to make words from these vowels. Okay, so let us learn. Okay, so here given B, okay, A and N. So we can make the word ban. Here given word ban. Okay, then C A N. Here first vowel is given A and later is given N. So A and N, from A and N we have to make words. Here given B A N, ban. Then C is given, so C A N, can. Okay, C A N, can. B A N, ban. Then F A N, fan. F A N, fan. Okay, M A N makes man. P A N makes pan, and V A N makes van. Okay, so these are words which are made from A vowel, okay, and N letter B, and here B, C, F, M, P, V are given. So from these letters and A vowel we can make these words ban, can, man, fan, pan and van. Okay, next number B is here given vowel E. Okay, E is given and letter N is given. So from D and E N, D E N, from D E N we make word den. Okay, from D E N, den. Okay, then next is given H. So from H E N, hen, we can make word hen. Then M E N, from M E N, men. Okay, then letter is given P. So from P E N we make pen. Okay, P E N, pen. The sound of E N is N. Okay, N. Then P E N makes sound pen. Okay, then T is given and T plus E N, 10. Okay, the spelling of 10 is here, T E N, 10. We had learned it in math subject. Okay, then the vowel given I. Okay, I and letter N is given. We have to make word from these letters. Okay, and I vowel is given. I, the sound of I is E. Okay, and sound of IN is in. So here P letter is given, from P I N make word pin. Okay, then from T I N make word tin. Pin, tin. Okay, the sound is in. Then B letter is given, from B I N, bin. Then from F I N, fin. Okay, what do you mean by fin? Fin means fish के पर. Okay, fin बोलते हैं उसे, fin. Then W I N, win. Win means winner बोलते हैं ना हम उसे. Win means जीतना. These words are made from ion sound, in sound. Pin, tin, bin, fin and win. Here D number is given and vowel is given O and letter is given W. So we have to make a word from B O W, bow. बाउ बोलते हैं, नहीं तो बो बोलते हैं उसे. ओके, BOW बो. वी हैव टू रीड लाइक दिस, बो. BOW बो. बट COW इज काउ. ओके, BOW इज बो बट COW इज काउ. देन HOW इज हाउ. ओके, NOW इज नाउ and WOW is wow. Wow. Okay, but we have to read BOW as bow. And other words are cow, how, now and wow. Okay, these words are made from OW, wow sound. Cow, bow, how, now, wow. Okay, let's learn about the U vowel. Here consonant is given N. UN, un. Okay, the sound of UN is un. Then consonant F is given. FUN is fun. FUN, fun. RUN, run. FUN, fun. RUN, run. Then SUN, sun. SUN, sun. BUN, bun. Okay, the sound is sun, bun, fun, run. It's easy, है ना? So these all words you have to write in your notebook. Okay, and you have to make video from it while reading. So let us learn about this second number. Look, listen and circle the odd man out. We have to circle the odd man out from these following words. So here given words are bat, bed, boat, hut. Okay, 4 words are given and the first consonants are B, 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 but one consonant is H. Here given H consonant and other words first consonant is B. So here man, odd man out is hut, HUT, hut. So we have to circle this. Okay, next second number words are given sun, lock, SACK, sack, SOAP, soap. So here in three words yes is the first consonant. First letter is yes, but LOCK, lock. Here first letter is L. So we have to odd man out this lock. Okay, lock. Then in the third, here given are cock, 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 CAT, cat, DOG, dog, CLAP, clap. Okay, so we have to circle odd man out DOG, dog. All in 3, this cock, cat, clap, C is the first letter, but in this DOG, dog, the first letter is D. So we have to circle this odd man out. Okay, so let us learn about the 4 rows words. Ladder, LADDER, ladder. LEAFE, leaf. ROAC, rose. LEMON, lemon. Okay, so we have to odd man out this word ROAC, rose, because the first letter is R and in other words L is the first letter. So we have to odd man this. Okay, we have to circle this ROAC, rose word. So next 5th row words are KEY, key, POT, pot, PEN, pen, PURSE, purse. So in these 3, pot, pen and purse, P is the first letter, but in the keyword K is the first letter. So we have to odd man this. We have to circle this key letter. Okay, then 6th number is given TOP, top, TOY, toy, AXX, TREE, tree. Okay, 4 words are given. So we have, what we have to do, we have to circle AXEX because the first letter is A and other 3 words T is the first letter. So we have to odd man this AXEX. So we had circle this. Now copy the words in word file. So word file means you have to make one notebook for word, and we have to copy all these words in your word file, means in your notebook you have to copy all these words. Okay, so do you understand what we learned today? Okay, we learn the frame words from vowels A, E, I, O, U. You have to keep in mind that there are 4 vowels in English alphabet, that are A, E, I, O and U. Okay, and you have to keep sound in your mind, that A sound is A or A, I sound is E, U sound is A or U, and E sound is A, O sound is A. Okay, so you have to keep in mind the sound of these vowels. So let's think about these words and copy it in your notebook. Okay, bye bye everyone. Do homework regular and attend online class regularly. Bye. Have a nice day, students.